If you're from Jamaica or anywhere in the Caribbean and always want to purchase your favorite companies like Amazon, Apple, Facebook and Tesla, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can get that done. First you want to do is get a broker that accepts international clients. I'm going to be showing you two brokers in this video. The first one is TD Ameritrade and the other one is interactivebrokers.uk. So what is a broker? In summary, a broker is a middleman that allows you to purchase stock from a stock exchange. So I'm going to be showing you how to get it done with TD Ameritrade first, because that's where I have my active account. The other broker, Interactive Brokers, I had my broker account there, but then I transferred it. The primary reason why I chose TD Ameritrade over Interactive Brokers is that TD Ameritrade doesn't charge me a monthly fee for maintaining my account, while Interactive Brokers charge me a monthly fee of about $10 after the first 3 months, which they gave you for free. One of the disadvantages of TD Ameritrade though, it doesn't allow you to purchase fractional shares. So what is fractional shares? Fractional shares allow you to invest as little as you can in a company. So for instance, Apple is trading at $110 per share and you cannot afford one share of Apple. If you have only $10, then with fractional shares you can invest that $10 in Apple stock. So that's the advantage of Interactive Brokers over TD Ameritrade. TD Ameritrade doesn't allow fractional purchasing of shares. So let's go on to Google and search for TD Ameritrade. Select open new account. Select individual account. And an individual account allows you to invest in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and trade futures and forex. So it opens an individual account. One thing though, with international clients, or in my case, I'm in Jamaica, I wasn't able to complete the form here online. So what I had to do, and what you should do, is download the form and submit it through moveit.tdameritrade.com. That's how they accept applications for international clients. And you would have to manually print and sign that form. They don't accept electronic signature. So let's scroll down to the end of the page and it download application instead. You can choose to email it. So in my case, I'm going to select download. Complete this initial information there that they are requesting. Your daytime number, country Jamaica, no, I'm not a US citizen. It's on you to read the terms and agreement. So let's hit submit. So these are the two important forms you want to get: the standard application form and the W8BEN form. These are some other additional documents that you might want to read for your purpose. So let's download the standard application and also download the W8BEN form. BEN. So you would complete the form with the required information. So you don't have a social security, so you would ignore that part. Just complete the information that is relevant to you. If you missed out any information, they'll reach out to you and they'll let you know what to do. So this is pretty much a form. Once you complete it, you should print. Let me scroll down to the end. You should print this sheet. You can just print this sheet only. Hand sign it. If you don't hand sign it, it's going to be a problem for them. And then you just merge back your application into one PDF. And then once that is completed, hold on, I forget W8BEN form. This is the other important form that you need to complete. You're going to put your tax ID. So in my case, I'm a Jamaican, so it's my TRN number, and you're going to need to submit a national ID along with your TRN. This one needs to be printed and unsigned as well. So once you complete this form, and once you complete this one, you then come to move it shop.tdameritrade.com. I'll leave the links in the description below, and I'll also leave the forms so you don't have to go to the website and get it manually. So what you want to do now is register and send files, and the recipient is new@tdameritrade.com. So let's hit register. They will be sending you an email with your login information. So this is the email that I received. So now let's log in with the email address and the password provided. Sign on. It's asking me to set a new password. Change. Alright, so you want to ensure that once you log in, the address you're sending to is new@tdameritrade.com, and you can put new account as the subject and note. Now let's upload the files. So let's assume you complete the forms. So let's upload, and then you hit send. So in this case, I'm not going to hit send because I don't complete the form and I already have an account. You'll get an email that they have received the application and they'll be reviewing and getting back to you, something along that line. And once your account is open, then they'll send you another email, and you can just follow the instructions in the email. If you have any challenges, you can contact them. They are very helpful. And what I did in my case, I used Skype. I always look for the cheap way out, so I could make international calls free to the toll-free number that they provide. So I call them anytime if I have any challenges. So now let's say your account is created. Log into your account, and bam, there you have an overview of your account. Alright, so once your account is created, what you want to do is fund your account before you can make any transaction. So you're going to go to my account. You should see deposit and transfer. If you have an American bank account, that would be helpful. So let's hit deposit and hit wire transfer. So this is the information that you would need to wire transfer the money to. So I'm going to simulate this using NCB online. So you won't be able to find the bank details using lookup, so you're going to hit unable to find bank, and then you're going to add the information here. So you complete the relevant information based on what is on the wire transfer sheet. So once that is done, you can go ahead and complete your transfer. So once your transfer reaches TD Ameritrade, which is within 3 business days, you're all set and ready to go. Once your account is funded and the money is in your account, select the trade tab, and what we're interested in trading is stocks and ETFs. So let's select the action as buy. We want to do a limit order and quantity 1. Symbol, we're going to purchase or set a pending order for Apple. The ticker symbol is AAPL. Price, and as you can see, it pulls up the information right here. So Apple is currently trading at an all-time high at the time of this video of $137 per share. So I'm not necessarily interested in buying Apple stock at the current market price, so I'm going to set a limit order of 130. So that is what I'm willing to pay for 1 share of Apple. So you want to choose your order type. It will cancel by this date if it's not complete. So this is a summary. No commission charged. Place order, and that's it. So if you want to purchase Facebook, I'm not interested in holding Facebook, but I'm going to simulate it just the same. So let's hit trade. Buy action, quantity 1. And I think the ticker symbol for Facebook is FB. Right, so Facebook is currently trading at $2.76 per share. This is also close to its all-time high. Also use this website called TradingView. So this gives me a clearer view of what price is doing, although you shouldn't invest only on price, but this gives a clear indication of what to do. So if I'm going to buy Facebook, I'm interested when it pulls back to say $221 per share. If it happens to pull back, it doesn't. It can continue to go up to $300, $400 per share without going back. But my investment strategy is I buy on pullbacks whenever the market declines. Time for sim. So let's select good until cancel. This is just another order type. And it will be good until I cancel it, or it stays there until the 22nd of May. So let's review order. At this point, I don't think I have enough money leave on my account to simulate others, but let me try another famous one, Coca-Cola. For Coca-Cola, if the price is less than 50, I'm going to buy it at market price. So let me check Coca-Cola. The ticker symbol is KO. So Coca-Cola is currently trading at $48 per share. So let's simulate purchasing. Well, I'm not going to simulate it. I'm going to purchase Coca-Cola in this case. Stocks and ETF. Quantity 1. Order type market. Time of day, forcing it will be executed today. Symbol KO. So this is my current holdings in Coca-Cola. Place order. And as you can see, it's saying a status of filled. That means my one share is now allocated to my portfolio. The transaction might take some more days to settle, but you'll see on your account. So that's pretty much it for TD Ameritrade. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment sections below. So the other broker which I mentioned was Interactive Brokers. So what Interactive Brokers will do, if you have only $10 or less and you want to invest in a company like Tesla, then you can do that with Interactive Brokers. Unlike TD Ameritrade, you have to have the full amount for one share to invest in that stock. So once you go onto the Interactive Brokers website, just open account, start new application, complete the required information, and you'll get to a point where it asks you to upload your identification, and in some cases it might ask you for proof of income. One of my friends experienced that issue. So unlike TD Ameritrade where you had to print and sign the form, with Interactive Brokers you can do an e-signature, and that's pretty much it. I was trying to log back in to my account to show you guys what it looks like, but I was unable to do so. It seems like they have locked my account, or they're having technical difficulties sending a two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication makes it a bit more secure to me when compared to TD Ameritrade. But overall, these are two good brokers. So that's it for now, guys. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comment, and I'd appreciate if you like this video so other like-minded people or people who are interested can see this video. That's it for now, guys. Thanks. Peace out.